because something just happened, and it's broken, guys. We thought this day would just be peaceful exploration of the land, but it ended very differently.
I'm on foot to explore this land while the drone is doing its part. There's too much light, so you may not see the drone, but yeah, it's too much light. So okay, don't know where to start. To where I am, looks like I'm going deeper into thick vegetables or vegetation. Thick vegetation. I'm just correcting myself. It's almost like you don't have anywhere to start. And I'm trying to cover this immediate vicinity that you can see, not further away, but the greenery and the trees nearby here. It's quite thick, and unfortunately it seems some sections I have to watch my step very carefully. For loose rocks. So where I see obstacles, I try and open up space. So like there's this little bush, this little tree in front of me. So I have to trim part of it to make way. Okay, so I'm down here. Came from up there. And where I am, I can hear water just pouring. So let's see how much water is flowing down the river, and also how big it is. But it's so thick, I don't even know how I'm going to make it there. Whether there's also a depression, I'm not sure. So I'm going to take my time. That's the water, guys. Like I said, it's not even raining, but there is this amount of water in here. I hope you can see it. So I'm standing balancing on the rocks. So this way I am. And I think that's uphill from the lowest point of the plot. This is just beautiful. Challenge is now to go uphill and end up further in towards that big tree. But it's so thick, as you can see. And I mean, this is the natural wild, so I mean the territory of all sorts of snakes around here. Okay, let's go. And I'm now up here. And then the land ascends uphill. It's hilly up this way. You can see there's also a hill there. It's quite beautiful. Okay, so I'm going deep. Here you can see quite a stream here. It's running down along here. There. I mean, considering that it's not raining, and the sound of that water tells me there's a lot of water here. Okay, so I'm going to try and explore. I'm going to go that way. Track the source of the river. Or at least where the water is coming from.
Right, guys, I need to find my husband. He's somewhere in the woods. Yeah. Pardon?
Mati?
Marty? I'm trying to follow your voice.
Mati?
I'm trying to follow your voice.
I'm
trying to follow your voice. Right, I'm
voice rangu.
in the woods.
Watch your step. Pani imwe swina iri pasi papa.
Oh,
Panchakaita chizhira so.
okay, I found it.
To you.
I can
Huh?
see there's somewhere deep. I'm coming. So my husband is telling me to follow the sound of water. Oh, I can hear the water. Do I come down the stream?
Mati,
Do I come down the stream?
makundiona?
I can hear you. Gosh, guys.
Okay,
Scary.
Mirandi.
It is scary, guys.
Chi,
No, I got caught.
sorry.
Did you cross over?
Eh,
Pano crossega.
eh.
Wow. Ah, look at the water, guys. Water, guys. It's stream. Wow, this is amazing. Where are you?
Hello, dripana.
Makosane apa.
Pane zvimatombo zviri papapo.
Ndozoita sevaya kujamba wobva awira mumvura umu. Remember mosquito.
Pane matombo about 3.
Right, let me try and cross. Cross all the way there. Can you hear the sound of water, guys?
Plenty of water.
Wow. This is awesome. Wow. And there is, I found him, guys.
Hello.
Ah. Right.
Let me remove this.
So the water is down there, guys, where I came from. So I did a drone shot, guys. I'm still practicing with the drone. But also I was scared of losing my drone because the forest is so thick. So yeah, I was scared of losing my drone. And you know what, I actually made a good decision because by the time the battery was running low, it was still far away. And I was thinking, ooh, if it gets lost in these woods, that's it. Where will I even begin to look for it? So yeah. I think for my first proper shot of the land, I did not do too bad. So I'll be sharing that with you guys so you can see it. I actually reached 119
knot meters. Hey, that was high.
Yeah, and my heart was pounding. My heart was pounding, guys.
But is the spare battery charged?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, my heart was pounding. You know, when you've invested in something, guys, you don't want to lose it. When you've worked hard for something. Look at the trees we have here, guys. Big trees. And now, look at the views over that side. From where we are standing.
Cow down here.
Okay. I had someone, angashanga something though.
Kobe.
Somewhere there, when I was flying the drone, I could hear
Maybe we need to go that way.
Huh?
Maybe we need to go that way. I wanted to go towards the tree, but there was a very fast movement. I don't know if it was a snake or a lizard, so I decided to
come back here. We don't
to abandon. Snakes. I don't want to fight with them today. Maybe another day, but not today.
We need to try and preserve them.
Yes. So it's also a hill here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Maybe we go to the top.
That's fine.
and see what's there. Plenty of cow dung.
Yeah. So I'm just following the man of the house. Huh? If anything comes for me, he'll deal with it first.
Yes, that I will do.
Yeah, my maybe I can feel your pain going up. You know when you were going around.
There's a big hole there.
Yeah.
So maybe avoid that side. Maybe follow me.
Yeah, I can feel it now. I've done enough exercise for the week. Because hey, we're going uphill. Oh wow, look at the view. Look guys. Beautiful.
I think this is the highest point of this land. Over there, down below is flat.
Yeah. But yeah, it's beautiful view. So, and the rocks.
Yeah.
These emotional cow moments make the drone incident hit harder later. Imagine when you are lying down in your thatched
I think
shade.
there's another homestead over there.
Where? We can see something.
Yeah. So to follow my hand straight ahead. See that brown stuff?
We're going down. One thing we are learning is never assume boundaries when exploring land.
We are going to go that way. I know we came from that way, but we are just going to go in a roundabout way because I just want to touch on the flat land.
I thought you said there was something fast moving.
It went. Don't worry about that one, it's gone. We see it, we'll deal with it.
Oh, Rano.
Yeah, so, but it didn't have anything extending out of it. So I don't know whether it's the same thing. Okay.
We're out here, guys. In case something happens to us. You know our last location. When you find this phone, whoever finds it. Just kidding. Direction this my husband is going. I don't think that's our side meeting.
Yeah. Let me just check something. I want to see if I can see the other tree from here. Oh yeah, that's the homestead.
That might be someone else's land.
Yeah, that might be. So, okay, so we can go. But this time maybe stay a bit closer. Because whatever was moving, we are heading in the same direction.
Oh, see, he's now scaring me.
Okay, let's go. Look.
Guys, I'm not really comfortable with the direction my husband brought me. Not happy at all.
Because I told her something was moving fast.
Yeah.
And I thought that something was a snake.
Ah,
So when I mentioned snake, she doesn't like to hear it.
yeah, I don't do snakes.
But guys, where the thing was moving fast is right here where we are standing. So she doesn't have to worry about it.
How dare you? How can you do that?
But you are with me, so you don't have to worry.
I'm with you.
Because when I said it was running fast away from us. Okay?
It could be then hanging around.
They don't hang around.
Now I'm even walking, looking back, guys. Because my husband scared me. Oh, lovely rocks. Look, guys. And the butterfly.
Are you ready to go back?
Yeah. We are heading back, guys. Through the river. I wonder how long it goes. How long is it?
Hey, good question. I also wonder. But I think it's quite long. I've got a feeling that way you can also...
It probably goes all the way down there.
yeah.
It will need proper clearing.
Here, I think the only obstacle here is this tree.
Yeah, it's the branches.
The branches, it forces you to go down.
Is this a fruit, love? Look up in front of you there. What is that?
Yeah. I don't know. This is just it.
What is this, guys? What fruit is?
Okay, let's go.
And I'm also looking up. Snakes aren't always on the ground.
Where did you put the drone?
In the car.
Oh, okay.
Can you hear the sound, guys? Let me sing for you.
Oh!
Wita uya so ya kuti kwai takamirira kutorwa.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Ready?
Yeah. Sometimes being out here reminds us why so many people dream of reconnecting with home. It goes all the way down there, guys.
Yeah, it carries on. Okay. So now we are going back up. Plenty of cow dung. Some of it's so fresh. You wouldn't want to step on it. I hope it's cow
They're
dung.
probably coming to drink water.
Yeah. If it is cow dung.
Yeah, just cow dung. Otherwise, hey, Manyuka are not serious.
There was another spot. There are 2 loads. I hear a car.
Is it a car or a hissing?
Hmm?
Or a roaring? My heart is racing. Are we out?
We are here.
Oh, thank God, guys. The car is here. Thank goodness for that. We survived. Which tree?
The big tree. Right at the top.
I need some water. Not water. I need water.
That big tree there. We went to that tree.
We later learned birds can become very territorial around drones. Guys, I'm a bit sad right now because something just happened. Something unexpected happened whilst we were viewing the plot using my drone. I've lost my drone. As I was flying it, I wanted to take a shot of my brother-in-law's land. And as I was turning to start showing his field, where it starts from, a big bird came. And smashed it into the ground. And it's broken, guys. It's broken. I can't use it. So I'm really sad because I've not used that drone for that long. I was only beginning to get the hang of the drone, and now it's gone. So I'm sad, guys. Days like this remind us that this journey back home is never predictable, but maybe that's what makes the memories special.